it's Gina from WTI. Are you like me and love to be comfortable with everything that you wear but still want to be stylish? Well, I found something that has become a staple in my wardrobe, and it's this beautiful cashmere envelope wrap from Alashan. I love it because it is so soft and luxurious. I can wear this dressed up with a skirt, a nice pair of heels, or I can dress it down with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt. I love wearing it shopping, out on a date, or just lounging around the house. It's really that comfortable and it just feels so good on your skin, you never want to take it off. It's such a classy, timeless style. You can wear it really slouchy with it hanging down below your waist. You can also scrunch up the top around your neck so that actually lifts the hemline up to more towards your waist. And I think that look is really cute with a pair of jeans or a skirt. And I can also use that look as a modified scarf or vest and wear a coat or jacket over the top. It fits well and it gives me that extra layer of warmth in the winter. I got the color indigo. It's a gorgeous deep blue. It goes with a lot of different outfits. I'm 5'4", 130 pounds. This is one size fits all, and I can see that it could fit a variety of sizes. You can tell that this is made from quality cashmere. I've had cashmere garments in the past that were itchy and scratchy, and this one isn't at all. I get so many compliments on this wrap. People notice it and they want to touch it because it's so soft. You can't go wrong getting a piece of cashmere like this from Alashan. It just makes me happy every time I put it on. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.